This is another Tomsenn HDMI switcher. This one is the Mac Daddy of them. This one supports 4K picture-in-picture, has an IR wireless remote control, 4 inputs, 1 output. This thing is amazing. Before I get into everything, I want to just point out that when you get your remote, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a film in there, a piece of plastic. You've got to remove that in order to use the IR remote. I purposely left this one in. I have 2 of these boxes, so one is running currently. But I just wanted to point that out, that there is a piece of plastic in there. It's hard to show it from the glares. I put my finger on it there. But anyways, this is what the remote looks like. Input 1, input 2, input 3, 4, and 5. You can switch between them. You can have an auto. You can have a picture-in-picture. This thing's just amazing. On the box, there's also a manual switcher. You can see that right there to the left. Right here is the center one. The other lights are a power light, then the manual switcher, the IR screen window where it's going to pick up your IRs, and then each of the outputs and inputs, which there's only one output, which your TV will be connected to if you want to set it up pretty much the correct way. All the rest are inputs. They will light up blue when you have an input in them. There is, like I said, one output. I use that with my TV straight to that box, and a DC 5-volt power supply, which is this guy right here. Very simple. Plug the male end into the female and you're off and running. There is plastic on this unit. You can see I left it on for viewing purposes, how well Tomsenn takes care of you as far as covering the unit and etc. You can get this for $31.99. It's an amazing price. I hook mine up. I have an Xbox in it, a Chromecast in it, a PlayStation 4 in it, a Blu-ray DVD player in it, and the cable box. And it's so seamless to switch between the inputs. It makes, I can be running every device at once and just go to whichever one I want. I'll put up a few of their pictures. There's the overall unit. What you get is your remote control and of course the main box. Another picture with just the box showing the inputs, and then your outputs on the side and your power supply on the other side. I think this gives you a little bit of the dimensions. It is really small and also has rubber feet on the bottom, so it will not slide around on your TV stand. Another great feature. This is the remote control and what it will do. Some of these are, as you can see, no function for this model. The picture-in-picture is amazing. You will only get sound through the main picture, but you can show all devices running at the same time. Secondary inputs and no function for this model for the green one. So these are dead. Another one giving you the switch between the inputs is for that to do the manual switching. Your power LED receives the IR signal like I showed you and indicates that a source device is connected through these inputs. They do light up red, excuse me. And I believe they changed blue. I think mine's blue right now, so that means I have an input in it. It is active. This is everything you get in the box. You get a nice instruction manual, which I didn't show you. It is this guy right here, and it is very well detailed. In fact, there's great pictures showing you the front panel, the rear panel, the IR light, even a nice diagram to show you how to set it up, which I absolutely loved, because some of these get confusing This one does not, first of all, and second of all, if it does, there are directions, and they are well covered. Here's a display with the picture-in-pictures, which is actually really cool to use. I've never used it on one of these types of boxes, so that was really fun. There's the other picture-in-picture with all of them lit. 3 of them lit. Just gives you a basic idea of what you're getting. This will play up to 4K. That is another big feature that I absolutely loved. I'll set the box down here. You can have a look-see at it if it's not glaring too bad in your face. It probably is. You get some safety codes on the bottom. Like I said, 4 rubber feet. Great to see somebody using the 4 rubber feet. All your inputs, your output on the one end, which was really nice too, so you don't get them confused. All your area of where the business is going to be handled with the lights. They are high speed HDMI. It is able to handle high speed. It's just an amazing product. I'm so happy that they wanted me to review this. Like I said, you can get it on Amazon.com from Tomsenn for $31.99. I hope I'm saying their name right. It's Tomsenn. I'm assuming that's Tomsenn. But anyways, it is a great device. If you have multiple HDMI ready devices, this thing is a must. I have a wall mount TV in one room, and I used to have the Xbox cord running up to it, which was HDMI, the PlayStation 4 HDMI cable running to the TV, the cable box running to the TV, so all this stuff was running up the wall. Now I just have one cable, which is the HDMI from TV to the box, and in the output section, the port, and that's all I have now, and it's very clutter free. I can't stand wires, so this will eliminate that problem. I'm not sure if you can see it over there, but it is sitting on the ground, and this is in another room where the play games are and all that crap. But 3 of the inputs are lit right now. The TV's in standby mode, but you can see there's an Xbox sitting right down there, and it's just really, it's so simple. I'll go over and show you the box real quick. Bear with me on my travel. But that's what it's gonna look like. It's just a simple little box with some cables hanging out of it, which are all HDMI, which eliminates everything running up to your walls. So if you have either a laptop that you want to run through your TV, this makes that easy. Your Xbox through HDMI cable makes that easy. PlayStation 4. Android TV boxes, which I also have and is also running through it. My cable box actually has a Wi-Fi box with it, so that's running through it. It just clutter-frees your life. Everybody with multiple HDMI devices should own this, and you will have up to 4K streaming at high speeds with picture-in-picture wireless IR remote. And a few more points is the owner's manual, like I said, is a gem. It is easy to follow. You'll get your box, you'll get your power supply, and this is the box everything comes in. Very nice. And the IR wireless remote, which I lost somewhere, but I actually did lose it. Well, anyways, the IR remote looks like that. I'm not sure where I set mine down at. I'm probably sitting on it, but that is what it looks like. And you get everything in one box. Easy plug and play. There is no drivers needed for this. It's simple as plugging in your HDMI cable and you're off to the races, having a ton more fun than you used to without all the cords. Highly recommend this product. Amazon.com, $31.99. Thank you to my friends at Tomsenn. Visit me at techgeeks.com. That's TECK geeks.com for tons of reviews. Ask some questions, post some comments. If you could like us and follow us, our social media buttons are there. And if you could, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you will get email notifications when I post a video. Thank you, and I will see you guys on the next one.